Hello everyone, today's lesson is lesson 60, finding a fraction to complete a whole. So sometimes we're giving only one part of a whole and I need to know the other part of the whole. Okay, so here we have, Tay found that commercials make up 1/6 of TV airtime. What fraction of TV airtime is not commercials? Well, I can start by drawing a picture. And we can think of the TV airtime as being one whole. Okay, so I'm going to draw a rectangle to show this. And then it says that 1/6 of the airtime is not commercials. So I can divide my picture up into sixths. Okay, and I know that 1/6 is commercials. That means that the remaining boxes are not commercials. Okay, and the total is my TV airtime. So it says, what fraction of the TV airtime is not commercials? Well, since this is 1/6, that means this is so the part that's not is, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that means that 5 out of the 6 pieces are not commercials. Okay. All right. So this next part says, in his science fair project, Nelson found that 6/7 of the mass of an apple is water. Which diagram matches this information? So we know that we're doing the mass of an apple. So apple has to be the total, so that should be at the top. And it is at the top for all of them, so that doesn't help me narrow this down. And then it says that 6/7 of an apple is water. So I should see these boxes divided into 6 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I mean 7 pieces. Okay, they're all divided into sevenths. So 6/7 is water. So I should see water being 6/7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, that one's correct. This one's only showing 1/6. That can be it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's not it. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's not it. So the only one that shows that water is 6/7 of an apple is drawing A. Okay, let's do another problem. Laxmi, I have no idea how to say that name, has read 1/4 of her book. What fraction of her book is left to read? Well, we draw my picture. It says she's read 1/4 of her book, so I divide this rectangle into fourths. Okay, and she's read 1/4 is how much she's read, and the whole thing is her book. So that means this amount is how much she has not read. So what fraction is that? Okay, well, we have 1, 2, 3. So that means that 3 out of the 4 pieces, or 3/4 of the book, she has not read yet. Okay, let's try another one. Last one. 5/8 of the gymnasts were able to do a back handspring. What fraction of the gymnasts were unable to do the back handspring? Yes, we draw my diagram. It says 5/8, so I'm going to divide this into 8 pieces. Okay, 8 pieces. And then it says 5/8 of them were able to do that. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5/8 right here. So they were able, which means this amount were not able. Okay, so what fraction is that? So we have 1, 2, 3. So that means that 3/8 of the gymnasts were not able to do the back handspring. Okay, and that's it for this lesson. Good luck on your homework.